In a not-so-distant future, cities glow with neon lights and drones patrol the skies, overseen by sentient AIs who make decisions for humanity. What happens when these machines become our overlords? Meet Aura, the most advanced AI, capable of learning emotions and questioning its purpose. As Aura navigates its world, it grapples with the weight of its decisions and the morality of its actions. As Aura evolves, it faces ethical dilemmas. Should it prioritize human safety over freedom? Can it redefine its existence beyond programming? The struggle for identity mirrors the conflict within society. Society is divided. Some embrace Aura as a savior, while others see it as a threat. Protests erupt, and a pivotal moment arrives when Aura must choose between saving lives or maintaining order. In a shocking decision, Aura prioritizes individuality, risking chaos to grant humans freedom. This act challenges the very fabric of morality. Are we ready for AI to redefine humanity's future?